DRDO unveils autonomous swarm drone system for border surveillance. In a landmark achievement for India's defense technology, the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, unveiled its autonomous swarm drone system on October 11, 2025, at a ceremony in New Delhi. Designed specifically for border surveillance, this system deploys multiple unmanned aerial vehicles that operate collaboratively to monitor vast frontier areas in real time. The swarm consists of up to 100 drones, each weighing under 5 kilograms with a wingspan of 1 meter. Powered by advanced lithium-ion batteries, they offer endurance of 60 minutes per flight, enabling persistent coverage along sensitive borders like those with China and Pakistan. Autonomy is achieved through artificial intelligence algorithms that allow drones to communicate via mesh networks. This enables self-organization, where units adapt to threats without human intervention, redistributing tasks if one drone is compromised or fails. For surveillance, each drone is equipped with high-resolution electro-optical and infrared cameras capable of detecting movements up to 5 kilometers away. Integrated radar sensors provide all-weather capability, identifying intruders, vehicles, or unauthorized crossings even in fog or darkness. The system incorporates machine learning for anomaly detection, distinguishing between wildlife, civilians, and potential threats. Real-time data fusion combines inputs from all drones, creating a comprehensive situational map transmitted to command centers via secure satellite links. Swarm coordination mimics natural behaviors like bird flocks, using bio-inspired algorithms from DRDO's labs. This allows evasive maneuvers against anti-drone measures, such as jamming or nets, ensuring mission continuity in hostile environments. Deployment flexibility includes ground-launched canisters or airdropped from helicopters. The drones can loiter at altitudes up to 3,000 meters, covering rugged terrains in Ladakh or dense forests along the eastern borders with minimal logistical support. Integration with existing border security infrastructure enhances effectiveness. The swarm interfaces with the comprehensive integrated border management system, feeding data to smart fences, ground sensors, and army patrols for coordinated responses. Cybersecurity features protect against hacking, with encrypted communications and blockchain-based verification for commands. DRDO's proprietary software ensures resilience to electronic warfare, a critical aspect given regional adversaries' capabilities. Testing phases included simulations at DRDO's Hyderabad facility and field trials in Rajasthan deserts. Results showed 95% accuracy in threat detection, with swarm recovery rates exceeding 90% in simulated combat scenarios. The system's modularity allows upgrades, such as adding non-lethal payloads like tear gas dispensers or acoustic sensors for audio surveillance. Future variants may include armed options for defensive strikes under strict rules of engagement. Cost-effectiveness is a key advantage, with each drone priced at around Rs 5 lakh, making large-scale deployment feasible. This reduces manpower needs for patrolling, lowering risk to soldiers in high-altitude or remote areas. Strategic implications bolster India's deterrence posture. By providing 24/7 eyes on borders, the swarm counters infiltration attempts, supporting operations like those in the Galwan Valley by offering early warnings. Collaboration with industry partners like Bharat Electronics Limited accelerated development. Indigenous components achieve over 80% local content, aligning with Atmanirbhar Bharat to foster self-reliance in defense manufacturing. Challenges addressed include battery life in extreme cold, resolved through thermal management systems. Signal interference in mountainous regions was mitigated by adaptive frequency hopping technology. Upon induction, the Indian Army plans to deploy swarms in forward bases by mid-2026. Initial batches will cover 500 kilometers of borders, with expansion to full frontiers by 2030. International interest has emerged with potential exports to friendly nations facing similar security challenges. DRDO emphasizes ethical AI use, adhering to global norms on autonomous systems. Enhancements in progress include solar-powered variants for extended missions and integration with satellite imagery for broader reconnaissance, pushing the envelope of unmanned technology. The unveiling highlights DRDO's innovation in asymmetric warfare tools, transforming border surveillance from reactive to proactive, safeguarding national sovereignty effectively. This autonomous swarm drone system marks a new era in India's defense landscape, combining cutting-edge AI with practical border needs for unmatched vigilance. Stay informed with globalinfoveda.com.